Every furnace reaches a point in its life when it can no longer perform adequately or requires maintenance too often, and that signals it's time for a new high-efficiency furnace. If you can answer yes to any of these questions, then it's time to consider an upgrade. Question 1. Is your furnace more than 10 to 15 years old? Furnaces around 10 to 15 years old tend to be more susceptible to breakdowns and maintenance issues, and by this point, many part replacement warranties have expired. Older furnaces are also less efficient than modern models, meaning higher energy bills. That doesn't mean you automatically need to replace your furnace as soon as it hits its 10th birthday, but the older it is, the more worthwhile replacing it for a newer version becomes. Question 2. Has your furnace been breaking down regularly? Depending on what the problem is, furnace breakdowns can be costly. If you're covered by a warranty and can arrange a fast maintenance call, then these breakdowns may only be an inconvenience. But as winter becomes colder, HVAC companies often become busier, so it's good to have a reliable unit to keep you warm, especially if your furnace has been red tagged. Question 3. Is the cost of repairs getting prohibitive? A general rule of thumb for a furnace replacement versus maintenance is this. If the cost of a repair, especially for an older unit that's not under warranty, will cost more than 50% of what you'd pay for an upgrade, then you should probably opt for a new furnace. Question 4. Is your home being warmed to the temperature you desire? If your home is cooler than it was when you first purchased your furnace, or if it was never reached a suitable temperature, then there could be a maintenance or sizing issue that could be corrected with a new model. Note, however, that other factors like inadequate insulation may also be to blame, so a new furnace is not guaranteed to fix this issue. Best to consult a professional to be sure. Question 5. Are your monthly energy bills high? High heating bills can mean that your furnace isn't efficient enough. The AFUE rating is the Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency Rating, and this shows how efficient the furnace is at converting energy to heat. A high-efficiency furnace should have a 90+% AFUE rating, and there are some on the market today that are rated as high as 99%. By contrast, most furnaces manufactured in the 1990s and earlier might only be 80% efficient or less. Once again, other factors may also be to blame, such as a colder than usual winter. Modern furnace benefits. One of the main advantages of upgrading your furnace is getting a high-efficiency model with a good AFUE rating that may lower your energy bills. Another benefit of high-efficiency furnaces is that many are backed by Energy Star. Energy Star is a program created by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the U.S. Department of Energy. In Canada, it's administered by the federal government, and the purpose is to help consumers identify high-efficiency products. Looking for an Energy Star certified furnace will help you save money on your monthly bills, but will also guarantee that the unit you buy performs better than comparable models. There are also lots of rebates out there for Energy Star certified furnaces. Upgrading your furnace is also the opportunity to purchase a unit with a BTU rating that is suitable for your home, meaning the furnace has been accurately sized for your space. A professional HVAC technician will be able to assess your home and calculate the right size for your new furnace. Another great thing about the modern furnace is the technology. Depending on your budget, you can get a top furnace model with communicating technology, Wi-Fi connectivity, self-diagnosis, quiet operation features, two-stage or modulating gas valves, and much more. Finally, new furnaces will be covered under warranty, which adds some peace of mind. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.